ओके
पहले हमारे नीचे कर दो मतलब सुनो
हाँ ओके रोल कैमरा एंड एक्शन स्टार्ट प्लीज Yeah. No, it's not going there.
खड़े होके लेना है
ओके 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 हो जाएगा ओके रेडी कैमरा रोलिंग सर कैमरा एंड एक्शन मिल गया सर ठीक है
No, can we shoot this now coming here?
हम लोग को नहीं मिला
Just wait these guys to come here. Then we should standing there. One second, all of you just stand there only. पूरा फ्रेम में सब लोग पीछे से वो साइड से लेके ये साइड तक। ओ भैया एक सेकंड रुकना, उसको बोलना सिक्योरिटी वाले को। अनुषा वो सिक्योरिटी वालों को विजुअल हो गया, फोटो हो गया तो बताना मेरे को। फोटो कैसे आराम से बैठना जल्दी ले जाओ चलिए मैम प्लीज हैव अ सीट।
तब्बू आप पीछे खड़े हो पुश करूं स्विंग हां चलेगा
सर थोड़ा पीछे हो जाना सर थोड़ा पीछे हो जाना
तब्बू सर यहाँ पे ऐसा थोड़ा
ऐसा यहाँ पे सर 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 सर
तब्बू और
सर 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 आप उस साइड चले जाना उस साइड हाँ हाँ सही है यहाँ पे
पीछे नहीं ना पीछे नहीं
थोड़ा थोड़ा पीछे
सामने देखना
हेलो भैया डब्बू सर यहाँ पे सनी जी
सनी मैम आप और तब्बू बस सर आप
एक सेकंड दो
सर यहाँ पे डब्बू जी डब्बू सर यहाँ पे
चलो
डब्बू सर सामने एक सेकंड डायरेक्टर सर एक सेकंड
सर यहाँ पे
अभी सिर्फ सर
सनी लेफ्ट
सनी मैम सोलो
सिर्फ सनी सर
सोलो
अरे यार अनुषा अनुषा अनुषा
यहाँ पे
अनुषा
सोलो सर यहाँ पे सनी सर सर यहाँ पे सर थोड़ा इधर थोड़ा ऐसा सनी जी
सामने
सनी यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में
सनी जी लेफ्ट साइड
सनी मैम सोलो पिक्चर
सनी मैम वेट
सनी जी यहाँ पे सनी जी राइट साइड
सनी राइट है सनी स्ट्रेट
सनी लेफ्ट साइड सनी सेंटर सनी जी लेफ्ट साइड सनी लेफ्ट साइड सनी लेफ्ट साइड
सनी राइट साइड
सनी या
सनी यार
सनी लेफ्ट साइड सनी होल्ड ऑन सर वन सनी
ऊपर खींचो इसको ऊपर खींचो
Glasses? No. No?
No, you don't see the glasses here.
क्या response है?
Okay.
Start. Did you like it?
Oberoi, he's the director and the head of Oberoi IBC. Sunny to everybody knows.
This is Hiren Bhekani and Deepak Agarwal and our creative directors Ram and Rajan. 3 cheers to everybody. Yay! Where's Dabbu?
Where's Dabbu?
Where's Dabbu, the man who made everything happen? Yeah.
Hello. Dabbu sir. Somebody please go and call Dabbu sir.
शायद खाना खा रहे हैं Maybe.
Ready hai?
Hi, so previously you did a campaign with Vivek Oberoi and now, alright, sorry. So previously you did a campaign with Vivek Oberoi and now your association with IR Sunglasses. Why did you choose this brand?
Hello, it's so easy. I mean, who doesn't want a variety of sunglasses at their disposal? That was my main mission, so I could have as many glasses as I could get. It's a great brand. As you guys saw, they look pretty cool, I think, right? And I think it's just all about being a part of brands that you're passionate about and that you like. And I think that glasses are a really easy win for me. मैं करूँ? हाँ, चलो। हो गया? नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आपका ये जो कोड है बहुत छोटा है।
कैसे आगे बोले?
ये इसका छोटा बड़ा लेके आने को
Yes, please continue. Roll.
Yeah, can we have the next question?
डब्बू रत्नानी ने आपका फोटो शूट किया है, कैसा रहता है उनके साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस आपका?
Actually, मैं बहुत खुश थी that Dabbu sir's here. I have a great relationship with him, a great working relationship. And actually, मैं थोड़ा सा sad थी क्योंकि उनकी wife ने आई, Manish didn't come. I was hoping to see her. Yeah, so I was hoping to see her, but I know that every time that I shoot with Dabbu, the pictures are going to be spot on, 100%, absolutely amazing. And he not only cares about getting amazing photos, but also cares for the artist that's in front of him. So it's really nice.
Anand, tell us a little about the thought behind the campaign for IR.
Okay, this thought that we have here is, we say be negative. We all keep hearing about saying be positive, be positive, be positive. But there are times when you have to be negative. We are here right now talking about all the things that are negative against humanity. Hello. Yes, Dabbu, the man who made this whole thing happen, and perfect time, Dabbu, you made this entry here. And when we shared this campaign with Dabbu, and that's what he said, the best person to take this campaign and lead this whole thing on is Sunny.
Thank you.
And so here we are with Sunny and Dabbu. And the makers, Hiren Bhai and Deepak Bhai. And our creative directors are Ram and Rajan here, who created this wonderful campaign.
Dabbu, tell us a little about the thought of shooting Sunny. I mean, I'd love to see her without the eyeglasses also.
So we have the concept that we have some pictures without the glasses and with the glasses both, and it's always great fun shooting. We've done lots of work together, we've done lots of shoots, and the pictures are always incredible. So looking forward to another super campaign.
So can you tell us a little about the brand and your thoughts and why you guys and Anand together decided to go for Sunny as the brand?
Sunny is very pretty and she is in very fashion, and we would like to introduce the polarized sunglasses to the Indian market, which protect your eyes with the latest fashions.
What about you, sir? Can you add something?
I mean, Sunny is a style icon which everybody knows about, and she can be the best in terms of a brand ambassador for our brand, because she's going to speak about a lot of things which are really important for the society to know. Being negative to wrong things in life, being negative to addiction, being negative to eve teasing. And most important, see, a brand has the idea behind this sunglasses is that in today's day and age, it's so important. It's very important to protect ourselves from the harmful rays, which are UV rays from the sun, which are coming from the sun. So this entire campaign and the brand also speaks the same. Be negative to harmful UV rays coming out of sun. And it is also a nice sync, which we are trying to give a message to the society, saying that be negative to wrong things. And Sunny is a very popular face, which the whole world knows about.
Thank you.
And there couldn't be anybody better than the choice. Thank you, IBC team, and thank you, Dabu, of course. Thank you.
Sunny, how does it feel about when you're endorsing a brand like this and you get to do a little more than just the endorsement? Like, for example, give a message. How does it feel?
It feels great. I think that IR did a great job of creating a social message with, having a great brand. And it's a very creative marketing plan, which I love because I love business, and I think that it's great to be able to be a part of a team that thinks outside of the box. And how are we going to get people's attention? The glasses we know are great. The sunglasses are amazing. They're going to wear them. But when you can have a social message, it's something that's really important in today's society.
Can you share a few tips on what should people do when they go for sunglasses? What should they look for? From you, straight from
what I think you should, sunglasses are like, pair of jeans, or they're like a handbag, or it's an item that's very, very personal, and everybody's taste is so different. And that's what's so amazing, is there's so many to choose from. You find one that you love and that expresses your own personal style.
Sunny, as a celebrity, you have got responsibility towards, masses. Recently, your ad had been banned, Manofort's ad. So what do you have to say?
Fantastic, sir. This ad, let me answer that question. There are very few brands. There are very few brands who want to stand up and talk about things which is not just about sunglasses. Like my glasses are this, my frame is this. We are talking about social life.
You know what? I don't have a different answer.
What it takes to build brands.
What it takes to build brands.
Especially Indian brands.
You need a great creative team. You need a great Dabu to shoot this whole campaign, and you need clients like Ayara, like Hiren Bhai and Deepak to understand and say that, listen, we will not talk about the product. Yeah, we'll talk about society. We'll talk about things which stand up for humanity.
And essentially a very good product to back it up all.
Sunny, can I have you have the last word?
Sure. I think that.
Hi, Ankur. Okay, this is Ankur Rame. Male model here, yeah. These glasses are not just for women, they are for men as well.
Yes.
Okay, see how Ankur looks now this. Yeah.
No one,
thank you.
Where were you, Ankur?
I was just waiting to be called for you.
Well, I want to thank everybody for coming out today. I think when you guys leave here, you're going to want a pair of IR glasses, and I think that this is something that's going to go viral, this social message. Once you guys see it, I think you're going to love it. It has all the mix of everything that's in that amazing khichdi, that's what's in this one. So you guys are going to love it.
सनी, एक चीज़ और जानना चाहेंगे, आपने रिसेंटली सुनील ग्रोवर की ऊपर कमेंट्री भी की थी आईपीएल की, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस, आपने उनसे कितना भी सीखा, कितनी मस्ती की उनके साथ?
अभी इस वक्त है ना कमेंट्री है ना अंकुर राठी के साथ करनी है।
बहुत मस्ती किया और बहुत मज़ा भी किया. I think when you can mix sports and lots of fun and Sunil sir, so it's awesome. You guys, you can watch everything online, by the way. You can see all the masti that happened.
तो क्या आप चाहते हैं कि कपिल शर्मा के शो पे सुनील ग्रोवर की वापसी हो जाए? क्या आपने भी समझाया उनको?
You know what, मुझे ये सब चीज़ें में मालूम नहीं है कि कौन क्या कर सकता है, कौन क्या करेगा. That's none of my concern. All I care about is these glasses right now.
Thank you so much. Sorry, can we have Ankur also saying something?
Okay, Ankur.
The movies. Good afternoon to you.
Hi.
I'm like,
They're pushing
will we
you,
see
we
her
know.
in your calendar?
I was in his calendar.
She is in this year's calendar.
Coming
Of course, she's going to be in all my calendars.
And you should wear the glasses.
Yeah. We'll try one shot with the glasses as well.
Sunny, how is being shot by Tabu?
आप लेट आ गए सर लेकिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है we're not only friends professionally but personally it's amazing his whole family working with him I know that जब मैं set पे आती हूँ that मुझे कोई tension नहीं है actually I know that the shots are going to turn out absolutely amazing and what's most important is he cares about the individual standing in front of him and that doesn't always come with certain people so it's
Lastly, would we be seeing you with Justin Bieber like performing or
हर रोज सपने में मैं जस्टिन बीबर के साथ डांस करती हूँ लेकिन अभी मुझे पता नहीं I have no idea
but do you wish to like whether there is any possibility
हाँ अगर मैं हाँ नहीं बोलती मैं पागल होती ना so of course I would love to I think that he's gonna get a amazing experience in India the amount of love the amount of care the amount of just sheer madness that he's going to see here, maybe he might not have seen anywhere else in the world.
Thank you so much. We hope to see you on 10th of May with him.
हाँ मुझे भी.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Uncle has to say something.
Then he's working.
Okay.
These are remarkable glasses. If you haven't had a chance, please check them out. And I've gotten the chance to meet these wonderful owners. They're so dedicated. They put so much time into these designs. Absolutely fantastic. You have to go check them out.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So can we say this together? Be negative to UV rays. Thanks.
Okay. All right. Thank
And
you.
go for IR sunglasses.
Thank you.
Can I have you guys just stand here and do a picture together?
Yeah.
Center, please.
Sure. With the players or without the players?
नंदिनी थापा ये देखो ना वहाँ अरे थापा नीचे लेना थापा नीचे लेना यार
अरे 1 मिनट
ओके
आनंद थोड़ा बाहर आओ थैंक यू अब फ्रेम ले लो ना मिला फ्रेम्स एक फैमिली आप ले रहे थे
थापा नीचे लेना खेला करना
ओके फ्रेम्स थैंक यू
ओके
लंच खाए बिना मत जाना लंच